On rail cars, this product is used in the door closing system to connect the controller to the motor. It's used for one of our customers who is doing a retrofit program on rail cars who have reached the end of their service life. Our work instructions include a custom form board that we made to ensure that it can fit into a very tight space inside the rail car. The components of this product include rail-certified wire, terminal blocks, crimp contacts, ring terminals, solder sleeves, a quarter-turn bayonet circular connector, as well as heat shrink boots. The assembly process for this product includes cutting and stripping the wires, crimping on ring terminals, crimping on contacts that are then inserted into the body of the connector, placing the wires onto the form board to get the appropriate shape, placing tie wraps to secure those wires into position, and then a final testing which includes continuity as well as visual inspection. This product will get placed on a rail car which won't need to be serviced again for another 30 years. Promark worked on this program a decade ago with this customer, and now we are incorporating the same product into a retrofit program.